Ready to dive into the Solana ecosystem with the Phantom Wallet? Let's get you set up safely in just a few easy steps. First, head over to the Chrome Web Store or your browser's extension marketplace and search for Phantom. Make sure it's the official Phantom Wallet extension with the ghost icon. Click Add to Chrome to install it. Once the extension is added, it'll automatically download and install. You should see the Phantom icon, the little ghost, appear in your browser's extension toolbar. Click the Phantom icon and you'll be greeted with two options: create a new wallet or already have a wallet. For this tutorial, we're creating a new wallet, so click that button. Now, you'll need to create a strong and secure password. Make sure it's a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Type it in both the new password and confirm password fields, then click agree to terms of service and then the continue button. This is super important. You'll now see your 1-2-RD secret recovery phrase, also known as your seed phrase. This is the only way to recover your wallet if you forget your password or lose access to your device. Write it down carefully on a piece of paper and store it in a very safe and secure place, like a safe or locked drawer. Do not store it digitally on your computer or phone. Once you've safely stored your seed phrase, confirm that you have secured your secret recovery phrase from the wallet and click continue, and there you have it. Your Phantom wallet is now set up and ready to use. You can now start exploring the Solana ecosystem, buy, sell, and trade tokens, and explore all the exciting possibilities. Happy sell surfing!